All right, it is time to set up my daily duo for the upcoming week. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Julie. So today I want to set up my daily duo using kit 435 from Planner Kate. If you saw my plan with me earlier in the week, I did use this in my hourly planner, but I love this kit so much I also want to use it in my daily duo, even if some of the strips are for travel. So one of the cool things that I saw over on Instagram was Megan from MVP Plans had posted a reel where it was basically talking about how would you use this notes page. Is it for the current week that you're in, or is it for the forward facing week? So for this week, it would be the 25th on. I had been doing it to where it was the week before. But then when she showed that she was using it for the week going ahead, I was like, why is that genius? I think that because it's next to Sunday, it makes sense that it goes with that week. But this week, we're going to try something different and we're just going to roll with it because that's the mood that I'm in. So this week is going to be just setting up all of the stickers and everything like that. So I'm pretty far ahead in time for when I'm filming this. So I really can't plan any further ahead. So even planning out Monday would be a little bit too much of a stretch. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. But let's get this sticker down. I thought I knew what I was doing. Apparently not. Okay, let's get that one down. And then this kit sticker. This is just so freaking cute. I still do wish it was all one sticker because it's a lot for me to like, wait, how does this go? Or am I lining this up right? But I get it. Maybe you don't even want to use both sheets. I don't freaking know. But I would want to use both sheets. And you know what? I'm going to kind of white out this in-between space because it's bugging me. And I'm not even going to get it all, but that's okay. Let's see if I get it straight this time. I think so. And we're done. And just kidding. All right, so we've got to put the dates down, and it is the 25th through the 31st, I believe. So I think that this week I'm going to keep it a little bit more simple, and this is just going to have the meal planning situation here because that's really all that I need it for. I tried to fill it up with more stuff, and I think I was just filling it for the sake of filling it. Like, I know that that's totally relatable because we all do that sometimes with our planners and just try to like fill it to the max, right? And we don't need to do that. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And I'm just gonna fill in that it is the week of July 25th through the 31st. All right, and then I'm going to use these meal stickers also from Planner Kate. I love these. I may put in workouts. I haven't decided. I don't write the workouts in my daily always. I'm just not entirely sure what I want to do here, but I know that primarily I want it to be for the meals. Look, I already love the way that that looks. It makes me so freaking happy. But what I can do for, okay, so for Tuesday, I know that we are going to have tacos. Like, that was the plan this past week, and that did not happen. Monday is going to be grilled chicken and vegetables. Last week it was salmon. And that was great, but time to switch it up. Also, salmon is like ridiculously expensive right now. I mean, everything is expensive right now. I would love to make salmon weekly. Oh my God, I can't believe how expensive it's gotten. All right, and then Wednesday, I think, is going to be spaghetti. And I totally spelled that wrong, but it would mess up the whole thing if I even tried to fix that. We could at least... There we go. Add the E. All right, and then Thursdays is our fend for yourself days. And then Friday is takeout. I know this is like a super complicated meal plan, but this really works for us. Also because my children are adults, I don't have to always prepare quite so many meals in advance for them. typically Saturdays can kind of be another fend for yourself or takeout day. Everyone's kind of doing their own thing, so it just depends. Sometimes it's just me and Jesse for dinner. It really depends on everyone's work schedules and social calendar. Sunday, I know that I want it to be chicken and like Puerto Rican rice and beans. I have not done that in forever, but at least that takes care of that. Okay, so the big things for this week is going to be getting ready for August. So it's going to be our August budget, and then of course August goals. Definitely need to work on that this week. Changing out the air filters should happen this week. Typically do it on the 1st, but the 1st is a Monday, so we're going to change the air filters this weekend. I want to do my July memory keeping, like close that out for the month. And that's all I can think of right at this moment. Okay, so as far as habits for the week, I want to make sure that I stick with no soda. I want to make sure that I do a little bit of reading each day, which by the way, right now I'm reading Verity by Colleen Hoover. That whole group, this fan base of her books and this author is like a damn cult, and I love it. Verity is the first book of hers that I'm reading, and I've heard just to like buckle up. I'm only on like chapter 4, guys, so I have really like no idea, but so far I'm thoroughly enjoying it, and I'm excited to keep reading her books. I picked up a couple from the Barnes & Noble on the way back from Palm Beach Gardens last weekend, and I'm just excited to keep reading her stuff. So definitely want to unplug at 8, and I think that's all that I can think of for the habits so far. Again, I'm a little far ahead with filming this, so we will see how this week turns out. And oh my god, that sticker is like either really crooked or this sticker is really crooked. I'm not entirely sure. It looks like it's a combination of both. I hope you guys can't really tell. Okay, let's get the rest of the week set up. So let's do date covers first. And I would love to know, do you guys make the ones match side by side? Like Monday, Tuesday would have the same sticker, Wednesday, Thursday. I go through phases with a week like this because I'm planning it out or laying all the stickers down all at once. It kind of doesn't matter, but I'll do matching each day, if that makes sense. Sometimes when I'm planning day by day, they don't end up matching. It's like the funniest thing. I don't know why I am that way, but that is the way that I am. So it's just, it's a thing. I've noticed that that's how it is. If I plan my week in advance, then my pages end up looking all matchy-matchy. Again, this is a very travel centric kit, and I'm not traveling this week. It probably would have been better if I used it last week. But that's okay, you know, I didn't make a good choice apparently. But this is a really cute kit. I do wish we were going on another trip this weekend. Unfortunately, that is not the case. All right, one more day, Sunday. And let's get the date covers down. Okay, so question, do you guys always use date covers? Because I notice I'm only, like, it's still July. This is the first month of this planner and there's a significant bump. I will say this, it helped that the last couple of weeks I have not used headers. I kind of gave that a break. So that's probably going to be my recommendation, is if you use them all the time, you know, do what works for you, but you might end up with a significant bump on the page. And I don't know if that bothers you, but I noticed it in the first or the second week. I was like, that's a big bump. All right, let's get Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and last but certainly not least, Sunday. Going through these sticker sheets like crazy, setting this up this week. All right, so back to Monday again. Now, one thing I will tell you is that I will not make these match. I feel like that makes the page a little bit too busy. So since that is very floral, I'm going to make these the lighter blue. And I know that's going to make all the other pages a little bit busier because there's a pattern on the rest of them. I actually love these kits with the squares, by the way. I think that they are just, they're great. All right, then this one, oh, but then we're gonna have, it's fine. All right, let's do the floral print. Nope, let's do the luggage print, because the thing is we don't want luggage on luggage in the other spot, although Sunday we'll have a luggage on luggage kind of day. I love these so much. This is so freaking cute. Okay. And I don't know if Planner Kate sells these, but it would be nice to have like a habit tracker thing to put in here, but just for the day. Does that even make sense? I don't even know. All right, so next up is the florals. And then we've got one more for Sunday. Whoops. So glad these are repositionable because this sticker just stuck all the way down in the most crooked way possible. Let's try that again. All right, there's that. So now what I'm left with is the script stickers, which I think I will go ahead and do since I'm doing like a weekly setup, is cover up all of the to-dos with the to-do sticker. Not that it really like is necessary, but it's kind of cute and I almost never use these to-do stickers. But now that I'm getting my whole week set up, it just makes sense. Everything looks nice and uniform and I absolutely love it. All right, so there we go. So one thing, even though I've set up the whole week, I don't actually put any actual plans down just yet because each day I will reference my hourly planner or just kind of, you know, if I'm kind of back planning for the day at the end of the day, I'll kind of edit some things in. But what I will do, because I do know that I'm working throughout the week, is I will put my work schedule in, which is pretty much the same every day. I have been using these stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs and I love them. And I'm just gonna grab my ruler, and again, I'm not even gonna put in my meetings and things like that, but at least I will have my work block done. It's like one less task I have to worry about with setting up each and every single day in here. It's like my planner is good to go for the week, even though it is a daily planner. So there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just a couple more days to go. Now I will say this, if I wasn't using a weekly planner, I would have probably put my days, I probably would have put my appointments in here, but again, I'm going to take it day by day with plans and write them in after the fact. Now Friday is a work from home day for me, but I'm still going to mark it out like a regular work day because of course that's what I'll be doing, but just from my house. And there we go. My planner is all set up for the week. I should be able to jump in each day and just start daily planning. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's setup video for my week in my daily duo. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.